Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my kitchen. Today we will going to make KPK style, restaurant style chapli kebab, which are made with the simplest of ingredients and hardly take 10 minutes to cook. I'm sure your family will going to love it. In spices, I have taken 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 2 tablespoons of roasted cumin and coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ajwain powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon ginger paste. That's all what we need for marination. Beside this, we need 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, also known as maida, 1 egg yolk, 1 large size onion, 1 small size onion and 10 green chilies. I have also taken 1 kg of fresh beef mince. Please make sure you use fresh beef mince with at least 20% of fat. Fat is very important in chapli kebab. First step is to chop the beef mince for 1 minute. This is how it looks after chopping. It's very soft texture. Now we're going to chop onion and green chilies. At this stage, please don't marinate the beef mince yet. We're first going to marinate the beef using green chilies and onions. That should be the first step of marination. We need to make sure that the green chilies and onions are well mixed into the beef mince. After this step, we're going to add all the spices I mentioned earlier. Mix it really well. Chapli kebab is all about mixing well. Add 1 egg yolk. Mix it well. Then add all-purpose flour. At this stage, you really need to mix well using both of your hands. The batter should be very sticky, just like this. This is a trick. If your fingers are sticking, that means your batter is really good. Now in a flat pan, heat about half a cup of oil. Make sure to shallow fry your chapli kebab. Preheat the oil for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Now take a chunk of beef mince and take a flat plate. I'm using a steel plate here and just smash the patty how I am doing. Make sure that's how you do it, and that's the authentic way of making chapli kebab. Now I'm simply going to fry them. I'll be frying them on high flame for 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, I'm going to turn it over. This is how it looks. It's really well cooked. Let's dish it out. I also added a small piece of tomato on top of it. Scrumptious, delicious chapli kebab are now ready. I'm frying one more for your convenience. As you know, chapli kebab are never of round shape. They are of different shapes and as flattened as they could be. I hope you enjoy. Please do recreate this recipe and don't forget to tag me. Hopefully you all will going to subscribe my channel for some amazing new recipes every day. Enjoy. Love you all. Happy Independence Day. Allah Hafiz.